Hello, good morning everyone. Let's start to work with the English activity number 2. And for this activity, I need that you go for your book, vocabulary and grammar. Okay, so open your book in the page 102. We're going to start. Okay, so if you don't have your book, remember that you can edit this presentation. For this activity, in the exercise number 1, it says that you're going to cycle the odd word out. Odd word out means the weird word, la palabra extraña, okay? That it doesn't make sense in the group, la que no va a hacer sentido en el grupo, no va en el grupo. For example, here, I'm talking about actions, okay? So I have here all my words that must be related with actions. Todas las palabras de aquí deben de estar relacionadas con acciones. But here you have an odd word out, okay? The odd word out here must be, in this case, missile, okay? Because surrender, did you remember, that means to give up. An attack is an action, is a verb as well. So the only one that is the weird word is missile. Okay, so this you're going to cycle. I'm going to show you the book activity in order that you can see it easily. But remember that you are going to cycle. Okay, so here guys, I'm going to paint the correct answer with color green, but you're going to cycle, okay? So the first one that I told you, it was missile. The next word, the next group of word, we are talking about objects, okay? So we have here missile, rebel, bomb. Rebel, okay? What is the odd word out here is rebel. Okay, so I'm going to choose dangerous people. Okay, this group of words are talking about dangerous people. I have a refugee, terrorist, and rebel. What is the where word here that is not related with the others? Talking about dangerous people. The correct is refugee. Okay, so the next word, conflict, would you have civilian, siege, and battle? Do you know what is? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, civilian. Aggressive acts. We have here invade, surrender, and attack, which is not related with aggressive acts. You know, is surrender. Okay. Now, number 6, non-violent people. What word is not related with non-violent people? Okay, you have here terrorist, ally, and civilian. The correct word is terrorist because it doesn't make sense with the other group of words. Okay, so check your answer and continue with the next exercise. Okay, guys, for the next activity, if you're editing here, you're going to write the correct option. I'm going to put you the options in that you have in your book in the other presentation that I have here, but in this case, if you are editing, you need to check the video if you don't have the book. If you have the book, just you're going to cycle and take the picture from your evidence. Okay, so I'm going to read Challenger Space Shuttle Explosion. The morning of January 28, 1986, in Cape Canaveral, Florida, was unusually cold. It was the day of the launch of the Space Shuttle Challenger. An engineer, Bob Evelyn, told the National Aeronautic and Space Administration, okay, which means NASA, managers, that the shuttle might explode because some of the technology hadn't been tested in cold conditions. They did not listen to him. Challenger launched at 11:38 a.m. and exploded 73 seconds later. The accident changed the space program forever. Okay, so here I am going to choose the correct option, but you are going to cycle in your book. Okay guys, so here you cannot find the answer literally. No vas a encontrar las oraciones literalmente. But we are making like inferences, okay? Estamos haciendo aquí como inferencias. It can be something that you think that must happen, but during the past. We are talking here about obligations, regrets, and criticism. Acuérdate que estamos hablando en grammar, uno de los temas que vimos antes de obligación, de algo que te lamentabas, o de críticas, but in the past. If you check the story here, the engineer Bob Evelyn told to the NASA managers that they must taste, tenían que probar, they must taste the rocket here because it may explode, porque probablemente hubiera explotado, but they didn't taste that in cold conditions, pero no lo habían probado en condiciones pues de ambiente frío. So the rocket was launched at 11:38 and it exploded. And this accident changed all the programs for the NASA, okay? Because it was a disaster. It doesn't work because they didn't taste the rocket before. Okay, so here we are going to use obligation, regrets, and criticize to express a sentence in the past. Okay, here, number one, Evelyn fell, he stopped the launch. Okay, so here, Evelyn fell, he, we're talking in past, had to stop the launch. The NASA managers believed they didn't have to stop the launch. Okay, ellos no creían que deberían de haber detenido el lanzamiento. Number 3, the NASA managers should, deberían, okay, something that you are regretting. The NASA manager should okay, should, okay, here, what you're going to use, had or have. If you remember, if you are using the auxiliary should, and you have here a verb in the past participle form, what do you need to put here? You are going to complete with have. Acuérdate de la estructura. The NASA manager should have, and the verb in past participle tense. Okay, la NASA debió haber escuchado to Evelyn. Now, number 4, NASA launched the shuttle that day. NASA didn't have to or didn't have. What do you think? Okay, so here, didn't have to. Okay, didn't have to because here you have a verb. And this verb is in the base form. So, and you have. Y tienes have. No puede haber dos verbos seguidos, so I need to use the particle to. Number 5, they should have, what is missing here? The verb in what tense? Past participle. What is the verb in the past participle tense? Okay, this one. Waited. Should have waited for the weather to change drastically. Number 6, engineer should have, what do you need here? A verb in the past participle tense. What is the verb in the past participle tense? Okay, I'm going to put this. The technology in all conditions beforehand. And the last one, for the rest of his life, Evelyn believed he done more to stop the launch. Por el resto de su vida, Evelyn creyó que él debió haber hecho más para detener el lanzamiento. Okay, so here what you're going to put, had or should have. You have the verb in the past participle form, so yes, you know. Here we are regretting, nos estamos lamentando de algo, so you are going to put should have. Okay, let's check the answer. Correct. All correct. Now let's continue with the next exercise. Okay, in your book you have the options, so you're going to cycle the correct option. I'm going to read the decline of the Roman Empire. When Marcus Aurelius died in 180, the Roman Empire began to decline. Many Romans believed that Marcus had chosen his son, Commodus, as his successor. Okay, what we're going to use here? Marcus didn't have, Marcus shouldn't have, Marcus hadn't have. Okay, so here shouldn't have. Commodus did not have any military or political experience, but as his father, Marcus, fell, he had to choose him. Commodus was also selfish, era egoísta, selfish and cruel. He shouldn't, you have a verb in the past participle, so have. He shouldn't have been so vicious, and he should have a verb in the past participle tense that is must be defended. Okay, let's check all the answers. Okay, all correct. Okay, so here if you are editing the presentation, you continue checking the options in the video, you pass and you set your time to write the correct one. Until here we finish the English activity number 2. The next activity you are going to do individual, okay? So pay attention and solve it correctly. Thank you for watching. Wait for the activity number 3. Bye-bye.